It's a great conference, and I can highly recommend it. I'm Andre Hermans. I work at Merck & Company, and I'm working there as a principal scientist in the analytical science division. The speakers are very good, a diverse round of speakers with very interesting topics, and especially the networking part is very prominent as well. I met a ton of very, very interesting colleagues, and we had fantastic conversations about work, but also private topics.
They will benefit attendees in the pharmaceutical science industry by benchmarking, by figuring out what are other people doing at the conference, how does that relate to what they're doing, are there things that they could be tweaking, are they hearing things from feedback maybe from health authorities that they didn't realize or they want to start incorporating into the way they do things in their company. So it's basically a two-way communication, I find, from hearing speakers talking to other people in the program, asking the right questions that you want to know, and taking that information back.
I really look forward to, and this has not been different across the years, it's really the breakout sessions. I really like the workshops because it's that opportunity where you actually poll everybody and you make everybody participate, and you hear not only what the planning committee has said it's relevant for that year, but you also get to hear from the audience and see what worries everybody and how everybody's struggling with the same thing. So I think the workshops is something that I always look forward to. But of course, the plenary lectures are always great, and the participation of, let's say, regulatory agencies like the FDA or the USP or other organizations besides industry, I think those are the things that I mostly look forward to.
Lendl is a very focused conference. It's not that of a big conference. We see a lot of times when there are 10 different sessions in the same time, and I feel a little bit lost, and it's always rushed somehow. This feels that the presenters have their time actually to present what they want. They get enough time, and also the discussions have their separate time. So this is what I really like about the organization. There are lots of times to network.
I have to be honest with you, I even work with some colleagues in Boston that I only see at the conference. Sometimes we get so involved, in our day-to-day companies and our lives that the only time we really get together face-to-face is at the conference. So I really look forward to seeing those people that I've seen routinely over the years. I look forward to meeting new people. One of the things that's really excited about is we had a lot of FDA participation this year, and so there was more than one person to talk to and bounce ideas off of and talk to. So I really like seeing the people and the turnout that we have each year.
Because it's somewhat of a smaller, intimate conference compared to like larger meetings that also happen within the industry, I feel like I really get to know people from across the industry, different companies. You learn about different practices, and also how things are being approached. I think it's a lot of the social activities, like going to the brewery last night, was fantastic for networking and just meeting a lot of great people.